Thank you so much for joining us for SIBN Atlanta's update. My name is Marcus Salette, aka The Coach. We're going to go straight to Atlanta, where Q Talks is standing by covering the Cam Newton Foundation as parents are preparing to return their students back to school. The Cam Newton Foundation has been interactive in Atlanta, but this is their formal way of giving back. Now let's go to Q in the field.
Hey America, guess what? It's your girl Aquarius, Q Talks TV, and we're gonna go inside Cam Newton's foundation. His mother, his father, the brothers, everyone's in here with the Cam Newton Foundation giving school supplies back to all the kiddies. So let's go in here and have a good time today and grab some interviews. Hello America, we are here live at the Cam Newton Foundation in Atlanta, Georgia, where everyone matters. Cam Newton is giving back to these kids, supplying school supplies, paper, pens, and getting them, as you see, out, up, moving around and having a good time. Are you guys having a good time? Yeah! I mean, I really couldn't hear you. Are you guys having a good time? Yeah! Okay, so to my left, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Damalola.
And what did you do here today?
I played games and I danced Zumba.
Okay. And what did you do here today?
Hi, my name is Venetia. I've had so much fun at this camp YMCA, and we did a lot of racing, and it was really fun.
Okay. So would you guys come out and support Cam Newton again and his foundation?
Yes.
So who can give me some Cam Newton stats? What position does Cam Newton play? And what round did he go? What pick did he go? Did he go first round, second round, or third?
First.
And was he number 1, 2, or 3 first pick?
1.
Very good. So y'all do know about Cam Newton. So I want you guys to look to the camera and say, "Thank you, Cam Newton."
Thank you, Cam
Newton. We are here at the Cam Newton Foundation, and I have the hierarchy of it all. Mrs. Newton, how are you?
I am wonderful. Good to be here, having so much fun.
I know, this is such a wonderful foundation. So can you tell me all about what's going on here today and how you all got involved with the kids?
Well, we are here mainly because, first of all, this is my first event to work with the kids, and we wanted to do something, the foundation, Cam Newton Foundation, to give back to the community.
Okay.
And we decided to give them gift bags, start the first day of school, items that they would use, pencil, papers, whatever, that can help them be students and good students, as well as incorporate fitness, good health, and good character. We've had a good day, a big day with B-roll, and Be Fit. We did Zumba. We had character lessons and about honesty, respect, and sportsmanship.
So how long did it actually take to get this whole entire program together?
I guess we've been working on it for about 3 months.
3 months, okay.
Or less.
Okay. And would you say that you were impressed with this huge turnout here today?
I am. I'm very impressed, and hats off to my staff, the advisory committee with the Cam Newton Foundation. We pulled it off. I couldn't have done this without them. They were very supportive and helpful, in addition to the YMCA. And they have done a marvelous job with their junior counselors, senior counselors, staff, and workers, and they made it all fit.
I know your son had to leave to go to camp, to go off to camp, and
he's already there.
Okay. So if you guys want to do this again in the future, do you think maybe you'll try to incorporate him and push it up to an earlier date so the kids can meet him possibly?
We plan on something else. Yeah, with him in the spring, so he can be here. But because we didn't want the year to end without doing anything, so we decided to move it up, do something before the kids go to school. And we knew that he wouldn't be here. But we, as the foundation, we still wanted to do something. So we got him to create a video, and he did. He was here, but not in the flesh. But he gave them a message about what he felt from the heart in regards to the campers. So I think it was well received.
Yeah. Now I have to ask you a question as a mother. How proud are you? You have legacies running all through that Newton bloodline. So how does that make you feel? Like, how can you even describe that feeling?
I just like any other mom, I'm happy. I'm proud that Cameron. I also have another son, Cecil. He's in the NFL on the practice squad with the Baltimore Ravens.
Okay.
Hopefully he can become on the team. That's what I'm looking forward.
Right.
But, you know, I'm glad that he's working and that he's doing something that he loves to do, and that is play football.
Okay.
And both Cecil and Cameron have been very supportive of the children and the youth. So I think as a mom, I'm happy for all. I have 3 sons, and
your youngest son, he is a character.
he's a hoop. I mean, he's the second dad. But he is Kalen. He loves football, and I'm trying to get. He is a leader for the kids, and it's all about developing leaders for tomorrow, for today, tomorrow, and that we could just move forward in a positive way.
Yes. Well, as a mother to another mother, I just want to say you've done a wonderful job. Your family and you all seem very well spiritually grounded, and it comes off just in all of your kids' character. So, and I know all you see Cam, but I've met Kaylin here, and I haven't had the privilege to meet Cecil, but the family itself is just gorgeous. And happy birthday to the grandmother.
Yes, and Kaylin has a birthday on Monday.
Yes. So.
August the 6th, so I'm happy that everybody get a chance to kind of like early celebration.
Yes. But Ms. Newton, much success to you. I am
so much. This is just the beginning.
Yes.
Hopefully we can do bigger and better things, that we can touch more people. And I thank you for this.
And I will help spread the word and the love.
Spread the word, spread the word.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello, America. It's your girl, Aquarius. We are still here live at the YMCA with the Cam Newton Foundation, and I found Mr. Newton himself. How are you?
Hi, Aquarius. We're happy to be here. It was an exciting day, a back-to-school event, and we're having tons of fun, as you can see.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So if you can tell America, share about some of the initiatives behind the program.
Some of our initiatives, kind of briefly, is everyone learns, everyone moves, everyone matters. We've got a lot of things that we've tried to accomplish this year. Back to school initiative is today, trying to motivate the kids about character and making good choices.
Right. And so I did an interview earlier with Mrs. Newton, and she said that it took you all about 3 months to put the whole program together.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah, well, this one, yes, of course. We've had 7-on-7, which is an athletic arm of our foundation, but yeah, it took a lot of planning, strategy, invitation, solicitation, that kind of stuff. So it's a lot of work that goes into it.
Okay. And I know you one of the initiatives, and don't quote me if I'm wrong, it's in regarding to getting off the couch, moving, being exercise, and all that good thing. So what do you expect from the kids in that part of the program?
Well, we're just trying to show that the foundation is about an upbeat experience, that it's just not about Cam playing football, but that, our family initiative is giving back to the community on every social strata, the haves, the have-nots, every ethnicity and all that. So, we've got a lot that we're trying to accomplish. We've taken them to the movies. We've taken them to Florida, Bradenton, Florida, to the 7-on-7 national event. We're real busy, Aquarius.
So where would you like to see your program go? Like, how big would you like for this to get?
With the amount of work involved, so long as we're going to be effective here in Atlanta and in Charlotte, I think that'll be a good carve-out piece for us. And wherever it goes from there, the sky's the limit. Only the Lord knows.
Very well.
All right.
And so, if they wanted to participate in the program, how do they go about finding out where to go?
Well, we normally have updates on our CamNewtonFoundation.org. Some of our events have not been posted as readily as we would like because that's a different team, a different strategy. But we'll keep posting updates from time to time and kind of sending bulletins out.
Very well. So you heard it first, so you can get all the information from CamNewton.org. Mr. Newton, we've interviewed Mrs. Newton, so we're going to keep this giving back mentality, giving back fundamentals, all this great philanthropic activity in Atlanta, Georgia. Great athletes doing well. And as I always tell you, be true to it and not new to it. Hey, this is Q Talks TV, and I'm sending it back to the studio.
That's Q Talks. Aquarius Williams in the field, a global correspondent for SIBN Television. In other news, the weekly Morning Bread show that is airing on YouTube on the Select USA TV channel is set to return August the 19th, 2012, hosted by yours truly. In the new series, Can You Help a Brother Out?, viewers are asked to become interactive as they share in the content along with the host of the show. Follow the Twitter handle at SelectUSATV or submit your questions via email regarding the men in your life, husbands, boyfriends, baby daddies, and beyond. Well, until next time, this is SIB in Atlanta, your news update. I'm the coach. I'll see you on the next one.